Welcome to Wednesday Tip Day. I am out here on the 10th hole at Duckwoods Country Club on a very beautiful, hot July day. But we're going to focus on a bunker shot. We haven't really addressed that yet in my tip section, but today we will. My last tip talked a lot about how our loft and bounce is our friend and where our handle needs to be at impact ahead of the golf ball. Today with the bunker, it's got a lot of similarities, but it's also a little bit different. Do you actually know that a bunker shot is one of the easiest shots in golf? Say, what? Oh, it is. You're actually never hitting the golf ball. What we're going to do today is we're going to talk about setup, stance, and execution, okay? So when we set up the golf ball, you're going to see my golf ball laying here in the sand. I haven't hit a shot yet, okay? That's an old little divot there from earlier in the day, and the sprinklers turned it on. Past there is the pin. My club face will be open. This would be square, and I'm going to open it up almost like I'm going to put a wine glass on it. And then I'm going to have my body aligned right and open to my target. I'm going to swing that golf club on my body line, which helps my bounce of that golf club hit the sand about an inch behind it, cut through the sand, and the sand is actually what takes the golf ball out. What a weird concept, but that's how physics works, okay? So I'm going to set up to it with an open stance. You see my body is now left and open on my intended target, which is the green, which is the flag. And then my ball is going to be a little bit towards the front of my stance. So if I'm hitting this way, my ball is going to be in the front, because I'm actually going to be aiming right about there on the golf ball. I'm not looking at the golf ball, I'm looking at that spot because I want that club to enter there and exit way past the golf ball, almost the length of a dollar bill. So here we go. I'm going to transport that club to about here, and I'm going to exit over there, and I'm just going to work on technique. Let's see how this goes. Dig my feet in the sand, get a nice good solid base. Got an open club face, put a wine glass on it. I'm going to do a quick little rehearsal of how I want my club to travel and through, and here we go. Okay, I used my 60-degree wedge there. As you see, I had a pretty good result, but I didn't get a whole lot of rollout. I probably should have used my 56, but it's the first club I grabbed, and I'm a little lazy today because it's hot, and I didn't feel like going back to get my club. But that's how a proper bunker shot is executed, and you'll see here, I got a good splash, and if you heard that thud, that's the bottom of that golf club doing its job. I'm telling you, the bunker shot's the easiest shot in golf. You never have to hit the golf ball. You gotta hit a lot of sand, and you gotta accelerate through. But I tell you what, you get this, you'll get up and down much more often. I hope this tip helps you. I really appreciate you tuning in to my weekly tips, and I look forward to seeing you next week for Wednesday Tip Day. Thank you very much. Have a great day.